Dear students, today we can learn about carbolic acid. I think you have already studied the common characteristic features of acid groups. In carbolic acid also, almost all symptoms present that you have learned in the acid group. Coming to carbolic acid, it is a powerful irritant poison and it is a great antiseptic nature also. And it is a product of Colta, and the prover of carbolic acid is Dr. Hahnemann. And the thermal reaction of carbolic acid is very much chilly patient, and the myosome syphilitic and soric. And next coming upon is the sphere of action. First upon the nervous system. Here carbolic acid produces paralysis, debility and weakness. You have already learned about debility and weakness. It is a characteristic features of acid group. And upon skin, it produces inflammation and also in eruptions with much itching and burning. This burning is very much important in case of common important characteristic features of acid group. Next, upon mucous membrane, produces ulcers, especially of malignant type. And these ulcers with putrid discharges, and also in case of GIT etc., there is vomiting and also dysentery. All of you know that where are the mucous membranes present in our body, so it can produce ulcers as well as vomiting and dysentery. Then coming upon the guiding symptoms of carbolic acid, first point is debility and weakness, which is the character symptoms of again acids. And again next point about pain. Here the nature of pain is it which comes suddenly and disappears suddenly and lasts only a short time. Next about the headache. There is a peculiar sensation as if a rubber band were stretched tightly over the forehead from temple to temple, headache from temple to temple, and there is a peculiar sensation as if a rubber band were stretched tightly over the head. This sensation is due to actually congestion to the brain. Next, coming upon the skin, there is intense burning and ulcers with putrid ichorous discharges, and it is a remedy for cancer also. So in case of skin, burning is again a characteristic features of acid group, and with putrid and ichorous discharges. All the discharges of carbolic acid have putrid nature. Acridity, putridity are marked features. Then coming upon cravings, there is peculiar craving for stimulants, here especially to whiskey and tobacco. And also patient is very much thirsty. And next about urine, it is black, alkaline and offensive. All the discharges are offensive in nature. Here urine is also very much offensive. Discharges like sweat, hemorrhage or leukorrhea, all are profuse in nature, acrid, putrid and offensive. So almost all symptoms of characteristic features of the acids are seen here. Debility and weakness is marked. Then the peculiar nature of pain, that is which comes suddenly, goes suddenly, lasts for a short time. You have studied these symptoms in other drugs like Bell, Macphos, Phytoloca, etc. That is pain comes and go suddenly. Whereas in case of Pulsatilla, pain appears suddenly, leaves gradually. And in Pulsatilla, there is also rapid shifting nature of pain is noted. While in case of Stanamet and Platina, pain increases gradually and decreases gradually. But here, that is in carbolic acid, the pain comes suddenly, lasts for a short time and disappears suddenly. And next symptom about headache. In headache also this type of pain is noticed, and there is also peculiar sensation of Rubber band stretched tightly over the forehead. Then coming to skin, there is burning. Burning is very much marked. You are learned about the triophor burning also. Which are the remedies? Are phosphorus, sulfur. Here is also there is burning, but with putrid, acrid discharges from skin. So it can be it is also indicated for various cancerous conditions, especially of uterus, of stomach, or skin, etc. Then here it has a peculiar craving, that is for stimulants, especially whiskey and tobacco. And thirsty, very much increased thirst is very much marked in acid group. And urine, about urine, it is very much black in color, offensive, and it's alkaline in nature. And coming to discharges, all the discharges are profuse, acrid, putrid, and offensive. Then coming to regionals, first about head, remedy for first headache. Here the natural pains, you know, that is come suddenly, go suddenly, last for a short time. And there is also sensation as if rubber band were stretched tightly over the forehead. And here headache from temple to temple and mostly marked upon the forehead. Other remedy having this sensation of some tightness over the forehead are gelsemium, platina, sulfur, etc. And here the headache is better by tea, green tea and smoking. Headache better by tea and smoking. So in head you have to remember natural pain, sensation, modality. Then coming to nose, we can apply the common symptoms, that is about the discharge. That is Oxina is very much fetid, fetidity, acridity, very much marked. Again about smell, the smell is very acute, and debility is very much marked. So influenza and resulting in debility is marked. Debility, prostration, weakness is very much marked. Then acridity, putridity, ulcers. These are the points you have to remember in case of no symptoms. Then coming to mouth, there is fetor oris, that is offensive smell of the mouth, fetor oris. And there is also ulcers inside lips, cheeks. And the inflammation is much marked, that is the ulcers with redness and exudation. All these are with very much putrid discharge, and burning of mouth. Burning of mouth to stomach is marked. So the stomach, mouth, there is fetor oris, and also very much ulcers. Ulcers with redness, exudation, and putrid discharges. Burning is very much marked from mouth to stomach. And it is impossible to swallow. Due to this inflammation and putrid discharges, patient cannot swallow. But remember, there is only little pain. As seen in Baptisia. Baptisia is also remedy for painless sore throat. Here in carbolic acid also there is much inflammation, and there is severe ulcers and severe burning and discharges, but comparatively less pain. Then the face is also dusky red with rapid sinking of vital forces. Sweating and prostrations are much marked, as in Carbovegita and Veratrum alba. Then coming to stomach, appetite is decreased and there is much thirst. Thirst is a common feature of acid group, that is increased thirst. Here also there is thirst, but appetite is decreased. And also there is peculiar craving, that is for stimulants and tobacco, especially to whiskey also there is increased craving. And again also there is acidity and burning of stomach. Then again it is a remedy. Carbolic acid has indication in cancer stomach, fermentative dyspepsia, and for gastric ulcers. Here the symptoms are much burning very much marked, then ulcers, then character of pain, These are all marked in case for indication of CS stomach. And also there is important symptom is vomiting. Vomitus is especially dark olive green fluid. And there is painful flatulence. So carbolic acid is a remedy for CS stomach. Here you have to remember the character of pain, and there is ulcer, there is burning, there is vomiting, there is flatulence, and the vomitus is dark olive green in color. So in case of stomach symptoms, the patient has increased thirst but decreased appetite. There is peculiar cravings are there, that is craving for stimulants and tobacco, for stimulants especially for whiskey. And there is acidity of stomach with burning, and is indicated for cancer of stomach with peculiar pain, ulcers, burning, vomiting of dark olive green fluid, and also has flatulence. And coming to stool, if there is constipation, this constipation is associated with very offensive breath. And in case of dysentery, the stool is of fluid mucus like scrapings of mucous membrane and with great tenesmus. You have studied the stool, natural stool like scraping of mucous membrane in Cantharis and also Colchicum. Here also the stool looks like scrapings of mucous membrane. And in case of diarrhea, stool thin, involuntary, black with an intolerable odor. So in case of carbolic acid, there is constipation, dysentery and diarrhea. Whatever the discharges, it is very much putrid, acrid, with prostration is marked. But in case of dysentery, there is, you have to remember the natural stool is like scrapings of mucous membrane. And also with this constipation is with offensive breath. Then coming upon urine, the urine is almost black in nature and is alkaline in nature. And you have learned the black urine in case of colchicum, natrum, digitalis, septis, SARS, benzoic acid, arnica, opium, etc. Here also the urine is very much black and is alkaline. And again, carbolic acid is a remedy for diabetes. All acids have indicated in diabetes. Here also carbolic acid is a remedy for diabetes, that is diabetes with increased thirst. Then also another symptom is irritable bladder in old men with frequent urination at night, especially with prostatic complaints. Here for urinary indication, the carbolic acid, the nature of urine is black and alkaline, is a remedy for diabetes, and is also indicated for patients with having prostatic complaints with irritable bladder and frequent urination at night. Then coming to females, the nature of menses. Discharge is profuse, dark, acrid, putrid. All the discharges are dark in nature, acridity, putridity are very much marked. Here also the menses with profuse, dark, acrid, putrid and followed by prostration. Then coming to leukorrhea also, it is very much irritating in nature, offensive with itching, burning. Acrid is also marked. Again indicated for leukorrhea of children. Then it is indicated for pustules about vulva, for CA stomach, CA uterus with erosions of cervix, with discharge very much acrid and putrid in nature. Then again there is backache, pain across loins with dragging and pain dragging down thighs. So in case of female symptoms, it is indicated for profuse menses, again for profuse leukorrhea, for CA stomach and backache. Here all the discharges are acrid, putrid, profuse in nature with prostration. Again it is a remedy for CS uterus, the symptoms being with erosions of cervix, burning, itching, ulcers, acrid, putrid discharges. Then coming to skin symptoms, it is a remedy for malignant scarlatina, variola, and itching vesicles and ulcers with burning pain. So almost all skin symptoms with burning pain, and the pain is better by rubbing. Skin symptoms are better by rubbing, and the natural pain is that is come suddenly, go suddenly, and lasts only for short time. Then there is sweat. Natural sweat is profuse, putrid, with prostration and collapse. The surface of skin is pale and seems bathed in cold sweat. Then again indicator for lacerated wounds from blunt instruments with much sloughing of soft parts are seen in calendula. Then R.T. Cooper says that physical exertion, even much walking, brings on abscess on some part, but generally in the right ear. It is said in keynote also. So in skin symptoms, it is a remedy for malignant scarlatina, variola, vesicles, ulcers, etc. The important point is that there is much itching, burning, and often see discharges, and the skin symptoms are better by rubbing. Natural pain comes suddenly, goes suddenly, and lasts only for short time. Then natural sweat. Sweat is profuse, putrid, with prostration, and the skin looks as if bathed in cold sweat. Then remedy for lacerated wounds with much sloughing. Again, Dr. R.T. Cooper says that after physical exertion brings abscess, especially in distal part, that is especially in right ear. Then finally coming to modality, aggravation, walking, mental exertion, jolting, amelioration, smoking, tea, and rubbing. And coming to relationship, antidote by alcohol, vinegar, chalk, iodine, and incompatible to glycerin and vegetable oils. So these are the points of carbolic acid. So first you have to go through the characteristic points of acid group. It can be asked as an essay question for your exam. What are the common features of acids? Name few acids, and any one of the acid you have studied in detail can be, you can expect as an essay question. So you should know the important characteristics features of acids and the important acids you have studied. I think you have studied fluoric acid, nitric acid, etc. Phosphoric acid, oxalic acid, picric acid, etc. So there are two acid groups are derived from mineral or vegetable kingdom. So you have to learn the examples of acid from these both groups, and then go through the points of carbolic acid. You should remember the characteristic features: burning of acid, carbolic acid, burning of affected parts, then very much putrid discharges, then acridity, putridity. These are very much important. You should remember. Then it is a remedy for cancer, especially of stomach or female generative system. It can be asked for your exam. Short answer for indication of carbolic acid in cancerous conditions. Then skin symptoms you should remember. The natural pain, ulcers, about sweating, etc. Okay, if you have any doubt, or if you haven't got the characteristic points of acid, etc., should inform me. I will give you the notes of that group, acid group characteristic features also.